Let's explore coffee roasting and strength guides. Coffee, when we get it at Taylor's Harrogate, we're roasters, it comes in this green format, which is raw. It's so hard that you wouldn't be able to bite through it, and it doesn't taste very nice. So we need to roast it. It goes through a load of chemical reactions, and it starts to pull those flavour compounds together that make coffee taste delicious. The numbers on the front of pack represent what we call a strength guide.
Strength guides refer to how much a coffee has been roasted, and different strength guides denote different flavour profiles, so how long a coffee has been roasted for. They don't actually have anything to do with caffeine content.
And this is generally to do with how darkly roasted your coffee is, and that will affect the flavours that you're going to pull from that coffee. Generally speaking, the higher the number, the more darker roasted your coffee is going to taste.
We have everything from light roast through to medium, medium dark and dark roasted products. We would start with a roast level of 3, and that would be a coffee such as Lazy Sunday. And for that coffee, we would be looking for flavour notes of lemon and acidity, fruit, and also floral notes as well. We would then look at a medium roast level, so that would be something like a strength guide 4, so rich Italian. And there we would be looking for flavour notes of caramel, milk chocolate, and nuts. When we look at a slightly darker roast, so a strength guide 5, such as Flying Start, we will be into more of a cocoa, dark, nutty flavour profile. And finally, a strength guide 6 would be a product like Hot Lava Java, where we would have a much fuller body, so a weightier coffee with darker chocolate, spice and clove notes.
Different strength guides or roast degrees work better with certain specific brew methods. So for filter coffee, where you use a nice paper filter, like a V60, an AeroPress, something like that, I think that lighter roast coffees are better because you pull out those kind of inherent, lovely, fruity, bright acidic flavours and lots of complexity. For an espresso, definitely, and a stovetop potentially, you might do better with a little bit more dark development in the roast. This means that the extraction happens a lot better and it's a lot more even and tasty. Cafetières are great. You can do a lighter, medium or dark roast to your preference, but I think they work really well with kind of like a medium roast somewhere in the middle. Rich Italian would be perfect for this.